Okay, this is going to be a tutorial on how to use the Haiku Deck app for PC and for iPad. It's a very easy presentation software to use, 10 million times easier than PowerPoint, and it's so easy that your second grader should have no problem figuring out how to use it. But as always, we recommend that you are present with your second grader while they're working with anything that has to do with the internet. So plus you will need to set up an email username and password for this, and of course we never recommend that you set your second grader up with a email account. So you'll need to go to haikudeck.com, or you can look for it at the, you can go from here to the App Store, or on the App Store on your iPad you can go and download it there. Then the first thing you'll want to do is you're going to want to create a new deck. So you go to click on New Deck, and it will bring up how to make a new deck, and it's very easy. Now there are quite a few different themes you can choose from. There are about six. There's 6 here that are free, and then there's some others that you can pay for. But why would you want to do that? And you can set privacy settings here in case you don't want anybody else to see what you're doing except for the people that you want to share it with. Nice feature of Haiku Deck is that there are only a few fonts to choose from, and if you know children, you'll know that they will spend more time finding just the perfect font than they will actually doing the work. So I'm going to pick this one. I really like it. Notice that it says image filter on and off. I recommend that you put it on. That'll keep things at least PG, because you never know. There is an image database on Haiku Deck that's really good. I haven't seen anything absolutely scandalous on it, so and plus none of the work that we're going to be doing is absolutely scandalous. So let's show you how to do it. So I'll click to edit. I'm going to do a little deck on my favorite things. So I'm just going to type in my favorite things by Mr. Ely. And very simple to do. If I want to look for a picture, I can type in here, and it'll give me some tags that I can choose. So if I want to go with favorite, I can choose. It'll bring forth some images that I can choose from. But maybe I want a picture of me, so I can actually go to upload image, and it's going to give me some choices from things to go from. My computer being the first one, but then there's, you know, Facebook and Dropbox and so forth. I'm going to choose a file from my pictures folder. So my pictures, and I know of a picture that I really like out of my food folder of me cooking a lamb chop. So I'm going to pick that, and it just uploads right there and plops itself right onto the slide. So easy as that. Now I'm ready to put on another slide, and I'm going to go with my favorite color. That's green, so I'm going to type in green. And when I go over here to the pictures, notice up here there's picture, there's charts, and then there's solid color. And I just want solid colors because that is the color that I like the most. And then I'll go to another slide, say I want to do my favorite food. Very simple to do. And I'm going to go with sushi, since I have really been in a sushi mood lately. So type in sushi. And here I go to picture, and I'll just go from the database that Haiku Deck has for me, and I can just type in sushi, and it'll bring up quite a few different pictures. I really like that one. It looks cool. So I'll pick that, and notice that every time I do make a change, up here in the up here at the top, it'll say saving, and all changes save. If you ever use Google Docs, it does the same thing. That way everything's kind of in the cloud. You never have to worry about losing your work if you step away from your work. Even if you step away from your work for a day or so, it'll still be there. Let's see if I want to do my favorite activity. And I like mountain biking. So there again, I can search mountain biking, or mountain bike, and oh, that's a beautiful picture. Now, if I don't want the text right in the middle, I can click over here where it says select a layout, and it'll give me some different choices on what I want to do. Maybe I want to do that so that way we can see the biker in the photo, or if I want it over there. And there's a lot of different choices. Same thing here is that I can do lists, different things like that, but I'm going to go back to that because that's what I want for that particular slide, and I'm going to put that over there. I'm not limited to pictures that are already on my hard drive or in the database. If I want to save some pictures on the internet off the internet ahead of time, if I'm doing a report about animals or a story about something and I need pictures and I can get them off the internet, just save them to your My Pictures folder and bring them up just like I did the picture of myself on the at the beginning. Now I'm going to say that I'm done for now, and so I just click the back button here, and what it's going to do is it's going to take me to an area called My Decks, and it's going to have some, these are some that I've already done in the past. Here's one we've done in class. This is what I'm doing for a class that I'm doing, and here's some that I've just kind of experimented with for school, and then one for my vacation. From here, if I click on the gear, I can copy or delete. I don't want that one anymore, so I can delete it. Say I want to go back and change, I can click edit. And that'll take me back to the deck that I had just been working on. And let's say that I don't want, I can go back and let's change the layout of that one. There we go. And let's say I don't want that to just be a solid color. I can change that too. And wow, Yoda, grass, the Incredible Hulk. He's pretty green. I like him, so I'll pick him. And there, it's automatically saved, so I can go back. Oh. Okay, I will wait until it saves. And now that it's saved, I will go back. Now, when I'm ready to look at it and see how it looks when I'm done, all I have to do is press the play button and wait for that to load. And that was pretty quick. I can make it into full screen if I want. All I have to do is press play, and it'll start playing. And it takes a few seconds for each slide to progress. As you can see, about 4 to 5 seconds. Not too bad. And I can pause it at any time. I can go back. I can go forward. On your iPad, you just use your finger and swipe between the slides. Very easy to do. And then I can go back to my gallery. And if I'm ready to share this, I can share it. That gives me a lot of choices. I can just copy the link. I can send it to a friend on email. I can go to Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter. A lot of different choices there. If I want to import it into a PowerPoint presentation or export it as a PDF or something like that, that's easy to do as well. So your first assignment for your second grader is to make a slideshow like mine where you're choosing your favorite things, and I will send a paper home explaining what needs to be on there, and I will put this link on YouTube and share it with everyone so that everyone can learn how to use it. Thank you.